EJ, pop a
Way
wheelie.
to go!
EJ, pop a wheelie.
Yay! Good job.
Watch out. Let's watch Gianni smack a home run. Oh, come on, buddy. You just hit a home run. I want to see it. I want to see it. That's 2 down.
Pressure's on you, buddy. You gotta get it this side.
Pressure's on. Watch the ball. Oh, all right. Well, that was a foul tip. Oh, EJ, you got off. Good job, buddy.
Watch the ball.
Oh, what a shot!
That was an inside outer like Derek Jeter.
Yeah, that was a ground rule double.
Yeah. Here comes another one.
Hey, Gianni, can you lay down a bunt? Lay down a bunt. Oh, yeah, shot. Oh, run the bases.
That was a hit and run.
Run the bases. He's got a second. He's going to third. He's going home, and he's safe. Oh, you're going around for 2 scores. Yeah.
Where'd the ball go?
I don't know. I thought it was under there, too. Johnny, you better find the ball, buddy.
Where'd it go? Oh my goodness, look how far away it went.
EJ, where you going, buddy?